Welcome to Happy Sprout Rhymes and Tales.
Good morning, class. Today, we'll learn action words.
Lulu, let's learn our first action.
Jump!
Watch me jump too.
Running helps us get strong and happy, but watch your steps.
I'm running fast like the wind.
I'm running so fast, my tail's behind me. Climbing helps our muscles grow.
I can climb carefully to the top.
I live in trees. Follow me if you can. Spin slowly so you don't get dizzy.
I'm spinning like a top.
I'm spinning too. Oh no, I'm a blurry squirrel. Let's splash, but stay safe on the mat.
I love water fun. I'm the splash champion.
Good morning, class. Today, we'll learn action words.
Jump, 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 jump around.
Jump like a
Go up and hit
Watch
the
me
ground.
jump too.
Dr. Sprout
jump
says
like a
jump
bunny.
high.
Watch me
Lulu
jump
touch the
too.
sky. Baby Lulu says
Let's
I
learn our
can
first
jump.
action.
I'll try. Chippy says I can bounce so high I
Watch me
fly.
jump too.
Run, run, run so fast. Catch the breeze as you dash past. Dr. Sprout says run quick, but watch your shoe. Baby Lulu says, Dr. Sprout, I'm faster than you. Chippy says, I just ran a lap or two.
Climb, climb up the tree. Look how tall the world can be. Dr. Sprout says use your hands and feel so strong. Baby Lulu says I can climb all day long.
Chippy says, I live up here, come along.
I can climb.
Spin, spin, round and round. Colors mix, don't fall down. Dr. Sprout says spin slow. Lulu, steady
So you
feet.
don't get dizzy.
Baby Lulu says,
Whoa, the floor looks neat.
Chippy says, I'm dizzy, sweet retreat.
Splash, splash, jump in rain. Puddles wash away the plain. Dr. Sprout says water's fun, but don't you slip. Baby Lulu says I'll splash with every drip.
Chippy says, I just lost my chip.
I love water.
Jump and run, climb and spin, splash again and wear a grin. Action words are fun to say. Move your body every day. Dr. Sprout says great job class, science and exercise combined. Baby Lulu says I love to move.
Chippy says, I need a nap.
To the top.
I live in trees. Follow me if you can.
Dr. Sprout, that was so much fun.
Learning is best when we move our bodies.
I move too much. I need a snack. If you had fun today, please click subscribe so we can play and learn again tomorrow.